it's Sophie from the library, the very official scientist here at the library. And today, to celebrate Science Week, I'm going to show you how to make some very special slime. I've got my lab assistant here with me to help me out. And let's get started. So here's my recipe, which we'll put in the comments of the video for you if you want to make it at home with your grown-ups. But first we're going to get out our bowl and our cups and our spoon, make sure we've got everything. And we've got all our ingredients ready, which is corn flour, some water and some food colouring. So all stuff that you probably have at home in your pantry. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my big 1 cup measurement, and I'm going to put 2 cups of the corn flour into the bowl. So you might need a grown-up to help you with this because it's really messy. All right. Oh my goodness, it's like it's snowing. All right, there's 1 cup. Can you see it going everywhere? Hopefully you'll be neater than me if you're doing this in the kitchen. All right, and here's our 2nd cup. All right, give that a bit of a shake. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is fill up 1 cup full of water. So you can probably do this from your tap, but as you can see, I'm in the library, not in my kitchen. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy super scientific drink bottle, and I'm gonna put 1 cup of water in my bowl. So let's pour that super carefully. Nice. All right, and pour that in. It's looking a bit like soup at the moment. All right, and next I'm gonna do my food coloring. Now I chose blue because my favorite icy poles are the blue ones. So I thought, I'm gonna choose blue, but you can do whatever you like. And you don't need a lot of this. You can just do a couple of drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 million, excellent. Make sure you put the top on that because that can get really messy as well. And we're gonna use our spoon and we're gonna stir it all together. Now it might be a little bit tricky to stir because the corn flour, when you put the water in it, it makes kind of like a big thick goo. All right, so it might be a bit tricky. So if you need a grown-up to help you, that's okay. And I might actually even use my hands because the spoon is not working. All right, my friends, this looks like it's pretty mixed to me. So now you can see if I use both of my hands and I pick it up. Oh my gosh, we did it. You're all scientists. We made our very own Oobleck Slime, our special type of slime. But look at that. That is so slimy. Well done, everybody. You did such a great job. And now remember to celebrate Science Week as well. We've got a big story time coming up on Wednesday and Friday where we're going to do lots of sciencey things too. All right, so hopefully we'll see you then. And I'll wave to you very carefully because my hands are covered in slime. Bye, everybody.